Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca here, Frugalistablog, you know, blah blah. Introductions are so awkward for me. Welcome to my channel. I hope you stick around. I hope you subscribe. And I hope you give this video a thumbs up. I'll just put it out there right now. Okay. Hey, speaking of bargain, were we speaking of bargains? I found the new Elf Eyeshadow Palette that is exclusive to Target. And I apologize to those of you out there that don't have Targets. I know. I guess this is available online. It's called Earth and Ocean. And honestly, I mean, blues are beautiful, greens are beautiful, and if I don't wear them, that's okay because there's some really pretty kind of khakis and browns and a couple grays, so we shall see. But I thought I'd give it a shot. It's 18 eyeshadows and I want to say it's $14. It's a combination of metallics, mattes, and I guess maybe I'd say like glittery ones. Like what's Tundra? I mean, maybe that's just kind of more of a, that's metallic. Whoa, that's pretty good. Dang. It's a little flaky. It's a little flaky, but it's still pretty good. Let's check out Lagoon. Oh, it's like an icy blue. Let's see. So this is Lagoon. It looks really pretty. Yeah, it's nice. It doesn't, I thought it was gonna be a little more. Okay, so let's just kind of swatch and check this out. We've got, this is a first impression, okay? So we're gonna see if this is any good. Is this gonna work? Is this going to be worth your $14? I also have a highlighter palette I also just found at Target. Okay, Trenches is a charcoal. Underwater is really pretty, like a deep evergreen. Can't Kelp It, kind of an olive, kind of a kelp. Desert Storm. Ready? That's nice. This one just kind of, those are good. Those are good. This middle row here, we have Abyss. It's like a Wedgwood blue. Drip Drip. This is beautiful. Lagoon, we saw that Rock Bottom. I love shades like this. It's kind of that platinum and then Gold Rush. I don't think I did Spruced Up at the end. Whoa! I am impressed with that. That's good. I did not do the ones on the end. Whoopsie. Oh, you know what? I'll do that later. Okay. And then last, oh my God. Last row, Siren. So pretty. Oasis. It's Matte Sister. And Saltwater. Pretty. Ooh, I like that. It has more of a punch. Tundra, we saw. Fuji Feels. Okay. Kind of a really lovely. Oh, those are nice. Those felt good too. That Fuji Feels goes on very smoothly. Very smoothly. Now, I did not do the end shades, so let's do that. I didn't do Sahara. Whoa, that's like green gold. That's crazy. Spruced Up. Sun Yourself. I really like that. Mojave Mommy. Love that. Where do I put it? That's nice. I like it. That, Oh my gosh. This color is very unusual, Sahara. You know, when you have a ton of eyeshadow palettes and you find a color that you feel like really feels original, it's fun, it's exciting. It really is hard to include a color that hasn't been done before. Okay, I am going to do, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna go with khakis and this, like, and those fun golds. Shall we? Okay, I'm gonna put Mojave Mammy all over my lid and just go from there. I'm not even wearing primer. I put concealer and what's it called? Powder. Jeez. This is very subtle. Do you see it? I mean, I think I see it compared to this eye, right? I'm gonna go in Desert Storm, which was an olive, a more yellow olive. I've got a an edge brush. I'm going into, well, I mean, it's just a thinner, it's actually an Elf, it's for eyeliner, but I'm gonna do the corner. And I'm using Can't Kelp It. So far, I'm really liking what I'm creating. I am going to go in with that, I'm actually going to go in with the Mojave Mammy with this brush, and I'm doing the whole lower lash line. I am taking a very small detail brush. I'm going to go in to this spruced up shade. It's kind of like grass green, you know? It's like different. And I'm gonna go right here because I feel like it. Ooh, I might have picked the wrong brush. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Haha. Okay. Right. And then I'm going to take a brush. I'm putting setting spray on it. It's the Elf, and I'm going in Sahara. Now, if this is maybe too green, I might go over it with the Sun Yourself. Kind of fun, huh? And actually, I'm gonna do Sun Yourself anyway, because I like it, and I'm gonna do it right here. Wow, yes. Oh my God. Are we seeing this like I'm seeing it? Okay. They kind of melded, didn't they? It might just be the way because I used the same brush. Well, I mean, I'm not holding that against it. Oh, wow. I'm doing my finger so that it blends in the middle. I'm gonna clean up a little bit and put some mascara on. Let's not forget our palette called the Gleam Beam. Way to go, Elf, lots of names. Looks to try, glitter, metallic, shimmer, metallic, shimmer, metallic, okay. So this is glitter. It's like, it is glittery, but there's nothing else coming off of it. It's really weird. Okay, that one is not my favorite. Okay, so then we have Shimmer, and that is nice. That we like that. You know what? I'm gonna go with the other hand. Shimmer, here we go. Oh, that's so soft and pretty. Oh, that's really, really subtle. Nice, okay. That's a very pretty bronzer. And then metallic, metallic, metallic. Okay, and they're textured. Do they have a spray over? I am not getting a lot swatched. It feels hard. I know that sometimes they need kind of warming up. So if this is metallic, it's actually more subtle than the shimmer, which in my mind, I would think that would be different. I would think that the metallic was going to be more dramatic than the shimmer. But if the intent is to be softer, then they are, you know, but it's kind of to the point where I don't see it swatched. So there they are. Those are the bottom three, and then those are the top three. So, I mean, minus that glitter shade. So these two are pretty good. These might be pretty and just very subtle, or like do well applied with a brush, and you know, sometimes swatching with your fingers just doesn't work. I'm always trying to give the benefit of the doubt, and we are going to use this is the Anastasia A23 brush. It's got some good dense harder fibers, so I feel like it really picks up highlight very effectively. So we're going to do a sweep right here. And I'm wearing a blush. I forget what's the blush. Oh, I'm wearing Flower Beauty today. Is it, I forget the shade, and it does have a bit of a shimmer. So I have a little shimmer on my cheeks already, which is maybe throwing us off. Okay, so we're starting to see a little bit there. Nothing about this, it's not bad, it's not not pretty, like it's all pretty, it's just, is this enough oomph? How many times can I do that? Okay. I'm going to go with this middle shade. It's very pretty. It's, oh, that's nice, that's subtle. Huh, okay. So it's a little bit, that middle shade is very subtle, but I like it because just my complexion, I think it suits me. These are maybe more pronounced than I thought, and I can see them now, so could have just been a lighting thing. I'll probably go in my bathroom light or in the window, the mirror in my window, and just be like, ha! All right, let's finish this off with some lips. It's really pretty. It's actually kind of perfect. Huh. Huh. I think this is $4.99. Has also its promise. I do think that the idea is for it to be a little more subtle, and I think it's better than I'm giving it credit for, but this shade is I believe 100% a dud. So if you had seen these and wondered about them, I hope I made this helpful for you to decide if you're gonna go for it or not. Definitely check the Elf website because it's awesome. They have so many good things. And I appreciate a company that keeps a low price point and a high quality product. So thank you, Elf. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free, like I said, subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I would love that. Okay. Alrighty, guys. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.